Hello there, welcome back to our family podcast. With me are my son FKM Tahseen Islam and my beloved partner Nasima Islam. Both are political analysts. You know guys, once Jamaat, BNP and NCP fought together against the fascist Awami League regime. Now, before election, they are fighting each other. Why?
Because enemy is gone, ego is born.
They came together for protest, not for power management. Protest is romantic, power is problematic.
What are they fighting about now?
Three things: seat, spotlight, and supremacy.
Before slogan was save the country. Now slogan is save my constituency. Election means ticket business. Everyone thinks I suffered more, I deserve more, and I should get more.
If they fight, who gains?
Not public, not democracy.
Then?
When friends fight, enemies recharge batteries. Fight corruption, injustice, price hike, not your former allies. People didn't sacrifice for political boxing match. They sacrificed for stable democracy.
Media should highlight policies, not personalities. Solutions, not scandals. Noise politics creates more fights.
When politicians fight, public suffers. When public unites, politicians behave.
And that's all for today.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.